Living in Calgary, you know how important high-quality windows are. Harsh winters, hot summers, and energy efficiency all depend on the right windows. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or damaged, it's time for a replacement. Old or poorly installed windows can cost you more than you think. Higher energy bills, reduced comfort, and even potential damage to your home. But don't worry, there's a solution. At Window Seal West, we specialize in manufacturing and installing 100% Canadian-made vinyl windows right here in Calgary. With years of experience, we provide top-quality windows designed for Alberta's climate. Our customer journey. Call us. Get in touch for a free consultation. Measurement. We take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Calculation. We provide an accurate quote with factory direct pricing. Agreement. Confirm your order and timeline. Manufacturing. Your windows are crafted in our Calgary factory. Delivery. We bring your new windows straight to you. Installation. Our expert team ensures a seamless and energy-efficient fit. Happy customer. Enjoy your upgraded home with improved comfort and energy savings. Our windows offer improved energy efficiency, reduced noise and drafts, increased home value and curb appeal, a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Upgrade your home with Canadian-made quality windows. Contact Window Seal West today for your free consultation. Call us now or visit our website to get started. Better windows, a better home, a better Calgary. Choose Window Seal West. Your local window replacement experts.